Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about summer watering. This is the time of year when I'm frequently asked, well, how much should I be watering my lawn? And the answer is about an hour per week per zone, assuming we're using the normal spray heads for lawn. Now, where does that number come from? Well, if I were to stop by your place and put a bucket out in the middle of your lawn in the full sun, 100-degree weather, and fill it with water, if I come back and check that bucket after about a week, what we're going to find is that bucket, it will have lost about an inch of water. So that means that your soil is losing about an inch of water per week. So with spray heads, it takes about an hour for those spray heads to put out an inch of water. So that's why we recommend doing an hour per week per zone. Now, commonly when I ask people how much are you watering in the summertime, I'll usually hear some numbers somewhere around 30 minutes or so. So if we were to still use that bucket, and now let's say that we're putting a half an inch per week of water in and we're losing an inch, when I come back and I check that bucket at the end of a month, it's probably not going to be empty, but we'll have lost quite a bit of water out of it. And that's what's happening to your soil when you're underwatering, if you're watering 20 or 30 or 40 minutes per week. So as time goes on, the soil gets drier and drier, and it's harder for the roots of your grass to be able to reach down into it and reach that water. So that's why we recommend doing an hour per week per zone. If we're using rotary heads, those are the heads that slowly turn, those we want to be watering somewhere around 50% more to maybe double, because they're using the same gallons of water, but they're usually covering somewhere around twice as much area. So that's the reasoning behind the hour per week per zone. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share them with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our quick tip emails where you'll find even more content. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape and lawn expert.